Realise Live Europe is back, where your digital transformation gets real fast. More than 1,800 technical experts and industry leaders to help accelerate your digital transformation. Over 350 sessions, instructor-led training.
Realise Live is probably the best industry event I've been to. Very inspirational for me. I've met lots of people from lots of different industries. I've networked, I've learnt a lot, and it's been great.
Learn, connect, accelerate.
I just really enjoyed how big it was, and so many different companies here where we can collaborate together and get some really good ideas.
The professional level, I could talk to many people from Siemens and I really learned a lot.
It's a very good opportunity to learn about the industry, how the software that I'm using is applied.
Really valuable in helping inform me and how I'm going to go back to Red Bull and look in a different way about how we use the tools.
Meet the Siemens ecosystem. See it, try it.
The Solution Centre here at Realise Live is full of compelling stories. It's a great showcase of all the different businesses, how they're using the technology. It's inspiring to see and to use it to motivate.
More than 90% learned something new they can apply to their work. And more than 90% walked away feeling more confident with the solutions they're using. So register now for Realise Live Europe 2026.